Come in and sit. Are you more Cynthia?
Yes, I'm Mawari Satya.
Can I call you?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready here for the last interview?
Yes, I'm ready for this interview.
Okay. Have you had breakfast before going to here?
Yes, I'm breakfast with bread and milk.
Before we start, my name is Muhammad. I will interview you today, and I hope you enjoy this interview. Okay, let me start. Okay, Dian, tell me about yourself.
Thank you, Ms. Rani, for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mawarisa Dianatasari, a highly motivated professional with background in public administration at Universitas Brawijaya and focus on human resource management. In this company, I'm interested to applying this position, especially in HR. I have 3 years relevant experience in HR, specifically handling operational management at Trans Entertainment. During my time at Trans Entertainment, the company faced rapid expansion and needing more than 100 employees in 4 months. I led this effort by shifting the sourcing strategy and implement structured selection matrix for speed and objective. The result was the team successfully met large recruitment target in 2 weeks, ensuring the company can launch their new project on time.
Okay, why are you interested in this position?
I was attracted to this position because I saw it is an ideal platform to fully utilize my expertise in strategic planning and execution. I am highly motivated by the opportunity to apply my strategic approach to policy implementation. I want to not only ensure that policies are implemented, but also ensure that each implement produces a measurable and optimal impact for the organization.
Okay, so great. Next, what do you know about our company?
Based on the information I've gathered, I understand that 20 groups serve as strategic powerhouse, overseeing 2 innovative subsidiaries, Turkey Insight and Portfolio Indonesia. The organization mission is to empower and lead the derivatives trading landscape in Indonesia, firmly positioning Turkey in highly dynamic financial service sector.
Okay, what are your greatest strengths, Gideon?
My greatest strength is the ability to create strategic HR policy and ensuring their smooth implementation. The combination of my HR manager experience and my public administration background allow me to design systems that not only support the company's long-term vision but also support the company produce a measurable and accountable in day-to-day operation.
Okay, next, what is your greatest weakness and how you working to improve it?
My biggest weakness in the past was focusing too much on perfecting small details in policy design, which sometimes slowed down the initial implementation phase. But to remedy this, I now use a rapid operational framework approach. I excel at translating top-level strategies into compliant and effective operational SOPs, positioning the HR function as a key driver of business growth.
Next, describe a challenging situation you faced and how you handle it.
I once faced challenging situation having quickly recruit large team in the scarce market and under a tight deadline. But to solve this problem, I, with my team, redesigned our strategy recruitment with emphasizing companies with unique quality.
Tell me about a time you demonstrate a leadership here.
At Trans Entertainment, my role is not just project management, but also taking full ownership strategy by explaining the strategy for everyone in the company. I train people on new protocols and ensure seamless integration in the company.
Okay, can you give me an example how you work in a team?
I believe in working in a team through self-management and high accountability. For example, when collaborating major training initiative, I took full accountability for designing the curriculum training materials. I deliver my part on time for ensuring all materials align perfectly with overall team strategy. Applying my expertise in public service standard for clarity and structure.
What experience do you have that relates in this position?
I have 3 years relevant experience to this position, focusing on comprehensive HR management, talent acquisition, and operational excellence. My academic background in public administration, specifically in HR policy, organizational, operational, and strategies. And I have 3 years relevant experience to this position, specifically focusing on comprehensive HR management, talent acquisition, and operational excellence. My academic background in public administration, specifically in HR policy, organizational analysis, and strategies. Furthermore, I have practical experience in developing and executing employer branding strategies and managing daily HR functions.
For the last, Dian, what are your current goals?
My long-term career goal is to progress into an HR director role leading a strategic people and culture function where I can bridge my operational experience as an HR manager with the governance and efficiency perspective gained from public administration. In the short term, I am determined to deliver immediate impact in this role by optimizing HR process using the principle of accountability for public service orientation, while leveraging my bilingual skill to strengthen communication and inclusivity within the diverse organization. I aspire to consistently drive positive change, ensuring that HR policy not only support but strategically propel the company's business objective for sustained growth.
Okay, Dian, good job. Thank you for your time and answer. I hope you can pass this interview as well. So good luck for the future. Okay. Thank you for.
Thank you, Miss Rani.
Yes.
Saya mohon maaf ke Miss Tia karena ada beberapa video yang tempatnya tidak sesuai dengan video-video yang lainnya. Karena video yang seharusnya sama itu kata teman saya hilang di handphonenya dan saya tidak tahu kenapa bisa hilang, dan saya sendiri ingat kalau saya tag video semuanya, semua pertanyaan dan semua jawabannya. Dan kenapa saya tidak mengulang video di tempat yang sama, karena kondisi yang tidak memungkinkan. Saat ini saya sedang sakit, lemas, dan tidak memiliki uang untuk beli makanan atau minuman di tempat sana. Harapannya Miss Tia dapat memahami atau memaklumi, karena ini menurut saya bukan pure kesalahan saya, dan semoga ini tidak begitu mempengaruhi di penilaian dari Miss Tia. Terima kasih, Miss.